Okay, now we're going to review theoretical versus experimental probability. Theoretical is when we don't have to do anything. Theoretical is what should happen. Experimental is based on what has happened. Sports stuff is usually experimental. Dice card stuff is usually theoretical when we're talking about them. It says read the situation below, whether it is theoretical or experimental probability. According to a class survey, 2 out of 3 students will choose Jill as their class president. I actually have to talk to students and record their information to figure this out. This is experimental probability. Then spinners. Spinners are spun 80 times. The results are 40% blue, 60% other. I actually had to spin it. Experimental. The probability that a number cube lands on 6 is 1 out of 6. Nothing about actually rolling the number cube. Theoretical. The probability of tossing a coin and getting tails. Nothing about actually getting tails or flipping a coin. That's theoretical as well. A deck of cards is cut 50 times. 48 times the card is black. What is the experimental probability? What is the experimental probability? This is based on what has happened. Well, what's happened? 48 times it has been black, of a total of 50. Just regular simple probability based on our experience. Alpha y equals 48, 50, enter 24 25ths. There you go. Now the theoretical. If you don't remember the cards, there are an equal number of black cards and red cards. So that means there were 26 black cards and 52 total cards. Not red cards, but total cards. That is 1/2. My theoretical probability is I have a 1 out of 2 chance of getting a black card the next time. What has happened in the past does not change this theoretical probability. Just because my experimental probability is really, really high, close to 1, my theoretical probability is still always that 1/2. Drawing a black or a red card. Drawing a black card. And the last one on this page, a spinner is spun 30 times. What is the experimental probability that the next spin will be yellow? Again, experimental. What has happened? What has happened? We have spun 30 times. I know that. Will be yellow. Well, that 30 times, how many have been yellow? 10. Please use your calculator. Alpha y equals 10, 30, enter 1/3. There you go. There's your experimental versus theoretical.